So these are the Lacoste Serve Slides 3.0. We are out going for a walk with little Stella. We're gonna see how comfortable these are. The rubber is rather, or the foam I should say, is a little firm on these. The fit is very narrow. And it's kind of sunken in, as you can see, to an extent. So your foot really gets locked in there like a shoe almost. And these are 12s. I wear 11 and a half and they barely fit. My toes right at the edge. So they're, the comfort's kind of mid on them. It's a firmer footbed on it as opposed to a softer footbed. It does have a decent arch on it though, so that helps. So we're just gonna go for a walk in these and kind of see how they do, accompanied by Stella. What is that? What is that? So I kind of like the style of them. They're not too bad looking. They're very chunky. But they are definitely the firmer style instead of the softer style. As far as slides go, it's a firmer foam. It's very narrow in the back, right behind the strap here. So if your feet are wide, these probably aren't a very good option for you. I have relatively narrow feet, so they squeeze a little bit in the back, but it's not uncomfortable. So one thing I do like about these is this checkered footbed. You can kind of see it a little bit. The lighting's not the best. It feels decent on the foot, though it is rather narrow. My major complaint is in the back there, where it narrows behind the strap. It does kind of pinch the foot, especially after walking in it for a little while. If I had to spend a day walking in these, I'd probably get blisters in that spot. Or if I wasn't wearing socks, after a while I might end up getting blisters on my foot in that location. But I mean, just on a quick walk like this, it isn't too bad, especially with socks on. They are doable. These are a little pricey. I think they run like $80 online, which is, I would say, double of what they were probably worth value-wise and comfort-wise. Lacoste had a sale on their website for these, and I paid about $50 for them. I think they were 40% off. So at that price point, is it worth it? Sure. I would say it's not too bad. And it was literally the last one that they had in stock. When I checked it out, they had one pair of 12s left. And after I purchased it, they were gone. I went back to that page and it was out of inventory or something. So I happened to get the last one that was on sale on the website. But you can find them on eBay, though, I've seen, in different colorways, and they're around $80. Every now and then you might see one on sale for like $60 or something, but they're typically resale is the same as the listed price on the website was $80. But I don't know how long Lacoste is going to continue offering this particular model, just based on their lack of inventory on the website. I don't know if these are an unpopular option, but they definitely aren't extremely popular. And I was trying to research them before I bought them, and I really couldn't find any videos on YouTube on this particular offering. There was one other video on the Lacoste Slide 2.0, which is a little less dramatic in styling. It looked more like the Yeezy slide. It was just kind of a standard chunky looking slide. Not as chunky as these, though. These are definitely chunky. So, final thoughts. Would I recommend them? Meh. Not really. Unless you really like the style of them. And you can get them for a discounted price. Then I'd probably recommend them. I mean, the footbed isn't horribly uncomfortable. It's rather comfortable. And they will probably break in, I imagine. Because when I initially put them on, they seem a lot firmer than they feel after wearing them for a little while. They do tend to soften up a little bit, so I imagine that rubber will soften over time and they will become a little more comfortable. But for full price, for $80, they're not worth it. Not at all. So